it's Talia, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video. I can barely get my words out. This is Freya.
What up?
She's never been in a video before.
Never.
I've
just been in the background, I've never actually been in an actual video, so you should feel so special.
I do feel very special, as you can tell. I'm so excited. And I'm going to do her makeup today. What do you normally wear on like a night out?
A night out? Okay, so that's like full load makeup. Well,
yeah.
Put a primer on and that, and then I'll put a foundation on. I'll use a pencil for my brows, mascara and eyeliner, and then bronzer. Oh, and highlight. I've been introduced by the lovely G to highlight.
Sub to glow.
Sub to glow.
Freya's new in the highlight world.
Yeah, but I don't contour and I don't.
Look at Freya's cheekbones though. This is why I'm so excited. I'm just so excited to contour because you don't even need it. So with contour, you're gonna be like.
It's gonna look weird though. They're gonna be out here.
Yeah, I love it. And today we're doing full glam, we're doing lashes.
Yeah, so lashes. I'm gonna.
Have you ever worn them?
So this is gonna be the first time where I'm gonna be like
snatched.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited.
That's a new word that I've learned about. Yeah, people say snatch now, like
they do.
meaning a good thing.
Yeah.
Didn't know that.
First of all, we're gonna start with brows.
Oh, that's a new one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, so I've never used a
gel or a pomade.
No. So I've just used a pencil.
I'm so excited. Also, we asked you guys on Twitter with the hashtag #AskFreya to ask some questions. We have stuff to answer.
Should I read some out now?
Yeah, go for it. I didn't bring a brow brush. I didn't.
Do you want to go get
This is a really good start. Be right back.
Yeah,
Feel free to entertain.
Oh no. Talia's got a really nice house, by the way. Like, it's actually kind of paying. She's got an exposed wall, exposed brick wall in her room, and yeah, it's paying. That's what I want in my house. Hint, hint to, you know who.
Have you just been sat there when we've been talking?
No, I've just been sat in silence.
Have you actually?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm using the NYX Eyebrow Gel in the shade Blonde for obvious reasons.
This is fake though. I'm not actually blonde. I know, and it's because I'm not blonde. Oh no.
You can swear it.
I don't want to swear. I'm gonna try to read some out. Oh, God's sake. Alright, Talia, who is your current favourite YouTuber? This is from Mia.
I don't know. I only really watch like my friends. Sounds really bad.
Oh, that's cool. So there's no one that you actually watch who's just random?
I used to watch more so, but like I don't really know.
Mine?
Visuals, yeah.
So the first YouTuber that I ever watched was Daz Black because he's jokes.
I'm gonna have a Freya swear counter.
I literally. Yeah, and he was the only one that I used to watch because I just thought he was really, really funny. But now I've started to branch out, and like the past year I've been like watching more and more people on YouTube, and I've just discovered, don't ask me how, Patricia Bright, and she's really jokes. Like,
yeah.
She actually
do you watch Jackie Aina? I think she's got your sort of humour as well. Actually, do you know what? That's who. Jackie Aina.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I have to check her out.
She's hilarious.
If you could take 3 things on a desert island, what would you take?
Okay, is this like from a practical point of view?
Babes, it's 3 things.
I think these questions really serious.
So, is it practical?
Or like, we're talking about just like 3 things I love and can't live without, or like...
It's whatever you take that as, really.
I feel like, the thing is you wouldn't have internet, so there's no point bringing your phone.
You're clever, man.
Yeah.
Clever girl. I mean, I'm gonna say that my cats come as 1.
Right.
So that counts.
I'll let you have it.
Yeah, that counts as 1. So cats. Do you know what? It sounds pathetic, but I'd have to take another person because I'm pretty useless.
To be honest, it'd be more fun as well.
I'd have to take a man because we can reproduce and we can make a little family.
True.
So I'll take Josh.
No.
Don't hold that.
What?
No. And then the 3rd thing, probably take some peanut butter or something. Oh wait, we didn't say water. That's quite important one, isn't it?
Do you know what? I'd bring a water steriliser. Because
and
like, you can
water.
drink rainwater.
Oh, yeah. That's a shower.
Oh.
Did you like overline it as well? Do you know because when you watch people do their brows like in tutorials and stuff, they don't even draw on their brow. They like draw up here, and I'm like. Oh, this is from Alex. What is your all-time favourite brand, clothing and makeup? There's a clothing brand that I've discovered, like, I think it was about a year ago. It's called the Ragged Priest.
Oh, I love Ragged Priest. I love Ragged Priest.
So good. Like, I'm in love with their clothes.
No,
and may or may not have ordered something from there today.
Ooh.
Yes. What is this?
Brow set. Sets your brows in place. So don't move.
Would it come off then?
No, it's just more like, you know, sometimes like you look at and you like when your hair's like doing this.
Oh.
Like, oh, trying to get signal. Not getting no signal with brow set. I'm using Too Faced concealer just to carve out the brows in it.
Where are you putting this?
Under your eyebrows.
Oh. No, never done that.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Oh my god, I think this will do it. Oh. If you could change your name to anything, what would you want to change it to? This is from Mads, and I'm guessing it's Madeline. I love that name, Madeline. That was I actually did love. No, but I really like the name Madison. I think that's a really pretty name. And Madeline is also really nice.
Madeline's really cute.
What would you change your name to?
I feel like I want something like sassy, like what's a sassy name? Aaliyah, or I really like the name Callie.
Yeah.
But I feel like I'm not a Callie.
No, that's cute. I like that name.
Your face, you were like baffled.
I didn't check to see if I have any sleep in my eye. Do you call it sleep, or do you have like another word for it?
No, I call it sleep. Do you know what I don't trust? People that call it an
I
eyebrow
it.
gel.
Oh,
people that do that. I'm flipping love it.
I'm nervous because what if I love it and then I can't do makeup?
I'll just do it every time we go out.
Every
like,
day.
over.
Every day. Drive like 15 minutes out of my way to get my makeup done.
Imagine. For a smoky eye.
And then go to work and Lewis will be like, oh, what the is on your face? Like, who are you?
See, this is literally how I used to do my makeup for work every day.
Well,
Eyeshadow, eyelashes, full face. I mean, not even work, just every day of my life I wore lashes every day.
you look so nice though without lashes. You look nice with, but you do look really nice without.
I mean, the first time I went out and didn't wear eyelashes, I was with you.
Really?
Yeah. But recently,
No.
I don't remember the last time I wore lashes.
If you had to eat something for the rest of your lives, what would you eat? I already know mine.
But pasta.
Yeah.
So.
That was weird. We are the same person sometimes.
Pasta is literally like
Pasta.
life.
Pasta.
Actual life. Like, I just genuinely don't think I love anything more than pasta.
No. What's your favourite song right now?
Maybe New Rules.
I think mine's Voices of Me. Alright, that is actually a sick song. I listened to it today and I got goosebumps all over. I was driving in my car. It's deep.
It's deep, it's proper deep.
Like
Another thing on the camera.
oh look, she even put mine is the Voices of Me.
Aww.
Oh. Wait, what? You put in bronzer on my brow?
It's highlight.
I just don't want that.
Oh, no, don't. She literally pointed that and was like, if you put that anywhere near me.
Can you answer this question? Why are Freya's cats legit the cutest things to walk this earth? I love them. Can you just answer that and just let them know why? Sorry.
Because their owner is so cute herself.
Are you a cat or dog person?
I'm a dog person. I mean, I like cats.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm a dog person. I mean, to be honest, I've never had any pets.
Really?
I've had a fish.
I love fish though. When I move out, I'm getting like a big fish like on the wall. Like no, what I mean is.
Yeah, I love when you keep fish on the wall. It's never fish.
And I want to get one of them fish tanks that are built into the wall.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is Freya's foundation in the shade 140.
I'm pale, and your shade 300.
I'm wearing the same foundation. The thing is, I don't look that much darker than you.
Mate,
I
you
just look
talking about? I look red.
To be honest, this foundation works really well with brushes because it's water based, and obviously this is a sponge, so it's going to absorb a lot of it. But...
God, that's...
So what is your everyday makeup routine, or do you not wear makeup?
To work, I don't really wear it. I work with Lewis and I work with Matt. I don't give a what I look like.
I love that you should just go and control it.
It's just my everyday language, like I swear so much.
I've never really noticed.
Really?
No.
I don't want to read this question out. I think we could put a spin on it and make it a positive. This is from Damla. If you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be?
Okay, right.
I want to kind of twist that into a positive because obviously you've got to love yourself. If you love yourself, then the world will love you.
Positive ones from Freya.
Yeah. I would probably change the fact that I have a stutter.
No.
Yeah, because that's
You
more.
literally barely started today, actually.
I know, but yeah, probably that because that gets in the way a lot of things that I feel like it holds me back a lot. Like I wouldn't. No, like I just feel like if I didn't have it, I'd do more. But I don't know.
Yeah.
You could say that, but then maybe I wouldn't. Do you know what I mean? So I don't
Yeah,
know.
true.
What about you, babes?
Probably, I don't know, be less awkward.
You are not
around, like-
awkward.
No, I feel like I can be really awkward around new people. Like I really fight it, like I really try and fight it. Because I want people to see me as someone that's like, oh, she's like easy to get to know.
Yeah.
But I feel like if you met me like 4 years ago, I'd literally be in the corner like, no one talking, no one talking.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my god, literally, like the brush just fits right into her cheekbones.
Shut up.
Your cheekbones are the most magical things ever.
They're not.
Yes, they are. Did your cheekbones have a fan page? That was a genuine
No,
question.
but don't get any ideas.
Yeah. Freya cheekbones.
Oh my god.
I want a Twitter fan page by the end of this video.
Is the Teletubby Talia account really
Oh
you?
yeah, it's me.
You've got a Teletubby Talia account?
It's just fun
What?
to see that.
Where is
It's
this?
usually on Twitter.
Oh
It's
my
just where I
gosh.
post like random stuff. Like
I'm searching this.
it's like a Finsta, but only anyone can follow it.
Teletubby. Oh my
I didn't edit those, but I mean that's me.
What?
But-
Talia! This is a great account. Hitting the follow. Is this you? Are they all you?
Yeah, someone made it, and I was like, oh my god, I need to make that. I need to make my head
That's
up.
pretty epic. I am so late, but how did you two become friends? Do you want to explain the story? Oh yeah, so G invited me to go to your live show.
Was that the first time we met?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
yeah. I don't know if we
No.
saw each other somewhere, but we didn't actually.
Yeah.
Oh no, Will's!
But we didn't really speak. We said like hi. And that
Yeah.
was basically it.
Oh yeah, so we first met at Will's, but I would say memorably, the first time that we met properly was
The show.
the show. That was like our first,
Yeah.
bondage.
But what?
I was like, why is she looking at me? I was like, oh, bondage.
Our first bonding experience.
Bonding experience, not bondage. And then it was wireless, I guess,
Oh yeah.
on the Friday.
Yeah.
Oh, and then you came out to the book club.
That was not the next time that we met. That can't have been.
I think it was.
Yeah.
We went for dinner,
Yeah.
and then we went out. And that was just the one little blossom.
Okay, I'm gonna put some highlight on Freya.
Is that the one you've got?
No. I'm too. It's too bad.
Just so tanned. Can you see it?
Yeah. Oh my god. Do you want this? You can keep it.
No.
Yeah. It's too light for me. You know it.
Oh, this is a question that I don't know if we've been asked, but I'm gonna ask it. Do you prefer Harry Potter or Lord of the Rings?
I've never seen Lord of the Rings.
Okay, so I feel like we was getting on really well. Is this gonna? Oh god, I'm nervous.
Time flashes.
Oh my god. Oh, Talia. So where? I want to blink.
You can blink time. You look peg. Oh, trust. I'm well gassed. Josh is
I'm
gonna be
so-
like, what the hell was Talia do?
Yeah, so I'm gonna go to Josh's after, I think. Well, I'm gonna try to, and just show him what his girlfriend looks like with a face full.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that highlighter. It is popping.
Right.
It is popping.
Popping.
Alright, Talia, what is your favourite place to visit and why? Also the same as favourite place that you've travelled to so far in your life and why?
I love going to Italy, but like the area that I go to, just because I know it really well.
Okay, so what part of Italy are you from?
My mum's from La Macerata in the Marche.
Girl, slightly attracted to you. Mykonos, that is literally the
Oh,
best
I
place.
really, really want to go.
It's so pretty, and like the town is just like, it's like not real. I'm actually terrified to see it. It's like...
I feel like you're not gonna like it just because you'll be like, there's so much makeup on me, but I flipping love it. Right, okay, I think you're allowed to look now.
Am I?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go to the mirror.
Yeah, I don't know if there's no lights here.
Oh my jeez. Talia.
Oh my gosh, it's so weird!
This is actually the oddest thing ever.
I feel like you're literally wearing more makeup than, oh you are, because I've not got lashes on.
This is like, I just feel like I've got,
A mask.
yeah,
I love it.
but kind of feeling it a little bit.
Look at that highlight though. Mad.
It's pretty bad.
That is it for me guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, become a member of this little family thing we have going on. It'd be so lovely if you join. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter, and the same with Freya. These are our links here. Are you going to start YouTube?
I don't know. Thanks for having me.
Oh, thanks for coming. Bye.
Bye.